Here's a map of a continent called Ækstan. This is for a fantasy role-playing game called Mythic Hero. This is just the topographical map. It's not quite done. You can see there's the scale and the compass rose there. As you go in and have a better look at it, you can see that there's a volcano over here. All these mountains. It's quite dense in forests and farmland around where there's settlements all over this thing here. And over there you can see there's some tropical beach, because this is supposed to be near the equator. This map is done on Bristol paper using nothing but micron pens. So there, nice and simple map. A bit of work to do yet, fleshing out. I'm going to write some storyline around it, take up the space, maybe do some nice borders. Down here on the compass rose, you see I've sort of roughly sketched in these triskelies, so we'll do those a little bit better when I put them in ink. Maybe I'll sketch them in a little better than that. And of course I'll flesh out that scale down there so that it looks better and you can see smaller units on there as well. Alright, that's a simple map.